For those of you that are new to this channel, welcome. Sitting here in Akaroa in the cemetery, recording the weather after building the NHS, Nature Harmony Station. We have orgone beams and have been performing agnihotra almost every day and noticing massive shifts in the weather. We have frosty mornings and lovely clear days with a few rainy nights over the last couple of weeks. And myself, as a very sensitive soul who is extremely sensitive to energy, I can myself feel the subtle changes in the air. Stagnation has been replaced with a surge of movement and clarity, bringing forth an abundance of energy to the planet, including the aurora lights, which were spectacular here in Christchurch, never been seen to that magnitude here before in my lifetime. Obviously, the ones that haven't been doing the work will believe that HARP created that celestial light show. But for the ones that have been doing the real inner work and the outer work, such as the fire ceremony and obviously Wilhelm Reich's technology, we know the truth of what is happening here. Unbelievable. Just sitting here, went for a quick drive down to the shop and came back, and this big long chemtrail appeared out of nowhere. Can't even see where the plane went actually. Anyway, let's see what this does. About half an hour later, the chemtrail disappeared, which is very strange. Usually you see them spread out and then there's a white mist and then the sun gets blocked by a misty cloud, but there's actually nothing. It's gone. It's so weird. I've never seen that before. Perhaps, you know, what I would like to be thinking, that harmonises the orgone beams that we've got going on over there along with the agnihotra fires, actually maybe creating some sort of a hub over us, so the chemtrails are actually getting zapped and cleared. I don't know. But anyway, it's good, isn't it? So far. Still blue, clear, and sunny. Maybe the particles that come into the atmosphere are getting dissolved. I have no idea, but all I know is, from what I can tell, is from my observation, is that that chemtrail just disappeared, which is very rare, like I said. Still a blue sky here, clear, a few clouds over there, but all in all, perfect day. Wow, beautiful. That's the Akaroa Harbour down there. That's where the guys rode out and dropped one of the pulsating harmonising machines along with crystals and Agnihotra ash and some glass marbles that are activated with the universal frequency. So yeah, beautiful day. Even though they did spray us with something, it seems to have not affected the weather, so that's good. Beautiful here. Another thing I have noticed actually in the last few days is my car. It's not covered in a film like it usually is. I did wash it last week, but oh, it's still quite clean. What's today? Tuesday. Usually that would be covered in what people are calling pollen or whatever it is, but we know it's not pollen. But yeah. In the distance you can see a chemtrail, but it seems to be breaking up. So yeah, we'll see what the weather does tomorrow after all their spraying. But so far it's still nice and clear, beautiful day, a little bit of a breeze. Gorgeous day here this morning. We had a slight frost. We've got blue, clear sky, sunshine, perfect. After they sprayed us with chemtrails yesterday, and I watched them pretty much dissipate before my eyes. And yeah, usually after they did a day of spraying like that, we would have just a cloudy sky again, like we did last year, all last year. I've never seen so much sun and blue sky this year, to be honest. And yeah, just makes me actually certain that what we are doing is making a difference. There's no doubt in my mind. About an hour later, I'm not sure if that's a chemtrail or not. Kind of looks like it could be. There's a little bit of mist around the sun, as you can see there. So yeah, that's okay. I'll just keep recording during the day, see what happens. Definitely the sky is getting hazy, but still blue. And yeah, the sun is so vibrant. It's beautiful energy coming off that at the moment. Wow. Cows crossed the river this morning, which is beautiful. And they're just here chilling out, sunbathing. Living freely on the earth as they should, with no fear of humans. Such a beautiful, rare sight, actually, to see. So blessed to be here and witness this transformation of Mother Earth, to be a part of the living souls in the Garden of Eden. It's only 12 o'clock here. I lose the sun quite early here, midday, but still a clear blue sky, pretty much watch all that hazy cloud dissipate. Still a little bit up there, as you can see, but it's not coming to much, so that's good. Busy little Marley. Just loves it at the beach. So lucky we've got another nice clear day for it. Wow. Unfortunately the sun goes behind that hill way too early. It's about 1:30 here, I think. But hey, I'm not complaining. Look at this day. Wow. For anybody who wants any information on the NHS stations in orgone technology or agnihotriphia, please feel free to flick me an email. I'll leave my email in the description. Thanks for watching.